If you're looking for an easy soup to make for lunch or dinner, this is the perfect soup for you. Ogbono soup is rich, is hearty, is full of flavor, and it is so easy to make. And I'll show you how to make it, and it comes out delicious. We are going to start with the ogbono. Ogbono is made from the ogbono seed and ground to this powder form. I'm going to add red oil to it and just mix that gently until it is well combined. I love using this method because it keeps you in control of the amount of red oil you use for your ogbono soup. Other ingredients we need is dry fish, which has been cleaned and cooked. We're also going to use crayfish. Ogbono soup requires crayfish. And then we have scotch bonnet pepper, which I've prepared. I'm going to use a mixture of goat meat and cow foot for this. And this is my meat stock. So in my warm meat stock, I'm going to add the peppers. And then I will start adding the ogbono gradually, the ogbono that I've combined with the red oil. Guys, if this is your first time watching my video, thank you. Welcome to my channel. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment on it, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you. Welcome back. Now I've added all the ogbono in the meat stock. I'm just going to stir it around and let it simmer for a little bit. Once it's simmering here, you can see the lovely color and how delicious it's already looking. I'm going to add in my crayfish. Crayfish is really important because it deepens the flavor of the ogbono. It just enhances it. And we just stir it around, making sure we're getting the size of the pot so we don't have any crayfish left at the side. Now it's time to add in the protein. We're using goat meat and cow foot. I find that a combination of two cuts of meat really enhances the flavor of any traditional soup you're cooking. Now I'm going to add more seasoning cube to my soup just for the taste, and just stir everything around. Make sure you're combining it thoroughly. I'm doing this now. My ogbono is looking a bit thick. Now I'm going to add water to it. Let it simmer a bit before I add in water, just to loosen it up. You can add as little and as much as you want, depending on the consistency of the soup you want. Once you add that, make sure you stir it around and you combine the water and everything you've added. Ogbono is slimy, just like okra soup. And if you like okra soup, I'm going to link up my okra soup recipe, which is a fan favorite for you, up on the screen so you can check that out. Ogbono is shaping up to be nice. I'm going to add our dry fish because our dry fish has been previously cooked. We don't need to give it more time on the heat. You can just add it towards the end and you turn everything, stir everything around. Make sure you're getting to the bottom of your pot and you just let it simmer. There are different types of leaf you can use, vegetable you can use to cook your ogbono soup. You can use bitter leaf, you can use ugu, and you can use oziza or tazi. But for now, I'm not using any vegetable because I just want to have my ogbono by itself. I'm going to serve this with this wrap of yellow gari and just put that in a plate and serve my ogbono soup. This is an amazing recipe. It can be used for lunch. It can be used for dinner. It can be used to entertain your guests, and they will love this. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Like, comment, tell me what you will have your ogbono with. Will you use gari or poundo or semo? Let me know. Subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.